Hello again everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2023 Toyota 4Runner and I'm going to show you how to change the wiper blades. This is pretty easy. All you do is grab a hold of the wiper arm, lift up. This driver's side blade is 24 inches and the passenger side blade is 20 inches. Okay, to remove the wiper blade, get a screwdriver, stick it underneath this plastic piece and lift up. And that unlocks the blade from the arm, so just push the blade down towards the windshield and it will disconnect like that. This is the standard J-hook wiper arm design. So then you can take your new blade and stick it in there like that and lift up. You'll hear it click and then just snap that piece down. It locks it in place and gently fold it back down on the windshield. Same thing for the other side. Alright, now we can do the rear wiper blade, which is tucked up under this visor here. So what we have to do is start the vehicle and turn the rear wiper on and get it to come down right around here so we can lift up on that blade and change it. Alright, as you can see, the wiper arm is stopped right here. You can stop it anywhere as long as you can lift up this arm like so and then get behind here and lift up, and the wiper blade will release from the arm. Just be careful, don't let this come smack down on your glass there. So this is the wiper blade itself. I'll have a link in the description for these blades, so check that out. So then take your new blade, remember it has to go this way, so lift up on your wiper arm. You can see that little notch there, that's where it pivots at. So you stick that in there. There we go, that's it. Go back inside and turn it back on, and then it'll go back up in its resting position. Alright, I'm going to start the vehicle. Okay guys, that completes the wiper change video. I hope it helped you out. Hit that thumbs up button if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.